Hello everyone, my name is Momitan and today I want to talk about how the design of a store can actually shape the way we think and behave as customers. So let's start with customer perception. This is basically how we see and experience everything in a store, from how it looks and feels to where things are placed. Businesses are super careful about this because they want us to feel a certain way when we are shopping. Like in high-end store, for example, they use soft lighting, spacious layout, and even in some play, like some uses to create luxurious wellness bag. It's all about design to make us feel special and to encourage us to spend more time and money in the store. Have you ever wondered why essentials like mix and breads are always at the back of the grocery store? It's also the purpose of the design to make us feel uh, to buy more things in the while we are shopping. Uh, as an example, another example is like the Apple. Apple's Apple store are a great example of how a store's design can create a unique shopping experience. Apple stores are all about like open spaces, minimalist design, and hands-on interactions. There are no typical checkout counter. Instead, the staff will move around with you, making the whole experience feel more personal and easygoing. And then there's the Genius Bar, which is like getting tech support from a friend rather than a customer service. The way Apple has designed their store really build this sense of community and reality. It's not just shopping, it's like being part of the something bigger. Another example is like coffee shops like Starbucks. They are designed to be more than just a place to grab coffee. They are what some people call it like a like that place somewhere it's not home and or work but a cozy space between them. With the comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, and a welcoming atmosphere, these coffee shops encourage us uh, to stay longer. And the longer we stay, the more likely we are to order another cup of coffee or snacks. It's all about creating a space where we want to hang out, which lead to more spending, a stronger connection to the brand. Now let's look back in the something from history. Have you ever had the man named Edward Barney, who is also considered as the father of the public relations and also the writer of the book of propaganda? He created the he also created the story of the breakfast is the most important meal. But now I'm going to talk about is another story which is also called the tortures of freedom. Back in the 1920s, smoking was a big no-no for women, and cigarette company wanted to change that to grow their business. Barney came back with a brilliant plan that he had women match in a parrot while smoking, which he called the torches of freedom. This linked smoking with women's liberation and completely changed public opinion, leading to a huge increase in cigarette sales. This is a perfect example of how powerful public relations can be in shaping our thoughts and behavior, just like how modern store designs influence how we shop. So, to wrap up, whether it's a grocery store, an Apple store, or a coffee shop, the world these spaces are designed play a huge role in how we experience them and how much we end up buying. Uh, when we look back something like Barney's Torches of Freedom, we see that influencing customer behavior is nothing new. It's just as relevant today as it was back then. Understanding this strategy can really help business create better customer experience, which lead to happier customer and more more success in the long run. Thanks for listening.